Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of Strava. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Strava app and you will click here in this page. In this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your